Hi everyone, my name is Roop Bains and I'm a senior AI/ML solutions architect at AWS. And today I'm going to walk you through a quick demo of how you can use Databricks as a data source in Amazon SageMaker Data Wrangler, enabling you to select data stored in a variety of formats in Databricks and perform tasks such as data selection, exploratory data analysis, data cleaning, and feature engineering without having to spend additional time configuring underlying drivers and libraries or writing Spark code for your data preparation. So with that, let me head towards the demo. On the screen, we are in the SageMaker Studio console environment, and we can see the launch window. Within the launch window, you can see a variety of components that SageMaker offers for your work across the ML lifecycle. It includes new data flow as one of the icons. So we'll select a plus icon on new data flow. This will spin up the Data Wrangler environment. As we are on the import page, we see a number of data sources that are available at the moment, including Amazon S3, Amazon Athena, Snowflake, Redshift, and recently Databricks. So I'll head to add data source and I will click on Databricks JDBC as the data source that I want to select. This brings me to the window where I can specify the name of my dataset. So I'll give a name as loan dataset. And then I can provide the JDBC URL for my Databricks cluster that I would like to connect to. You can find this JDBC URL from your Databricks cluster UI. So let me paste that. Next, I can specify a SQL select statement to select a subset of the data that I would like to bring and perform analysis on. So I'll put in a select statement, and then I can hit run to execute the statement and also to preview the results in the Data Wrangler view. As we can see, we have a quick preview of our data, and we can head up and select import to import the data set. This brings us to the initial view of our data flow. Once we have the initial data source set up, now we can add analysis steps as well as over 300 transformations, built-in transformations in Data Wrangler to prepare our data for machine learning use cases. Once we have the Databricks data source set up, we can add additional data sources to join our data with, or we can start applying analysis and transformations. In order to do that, we can click on the plus icon and go to Add Analysis, where we'll see a number of analyses that we can apply, including creating histograms, scatter plots, and table summaries. In order to apply transformations, we can again click on the plus icon and go to Add Transform and click on Add Step, where you can see the over 300 built-in transformations that are available in Data Wrangler to prepare your data for machine learning use cases. So in this demo, we quickly looked at how you can set up Databricks as your data source without having to configure underlying drivers or without having to write Spark code and use that data for machine learning use cases downstream.